What are the top three things a foreigner must have to date you? How do you feel about foreigners who date Filipinas but don't plan to stay long term? What is one Western habit you absolutely cannot tolerate in a relationship no matter how rich he is? What is your name and how old are you?
Hi, my name is Gwen and I'm 18 years old.
Okay, Gwen, here's the very first question. What are the top three things a foreigner must have to date you?
Um, Actually, this question is not only applicable to foreigners. I want someone who is secure of himself and he is mentally stable and is emotionally intelligent. That's it.
What do you mean by mentally stable?
I don't like men who are very insecure of themselves because sometimes they reflect it in relationship that makes it very complicated and hard to handle.
Okay, how do you feel about foreigners who date Filipinas but don't plan to stay long term?
I think they should not date them in the first place because for me dating is for me I am planning a date to marry, so I like someone who will stay long term and not just for fun.
Okay. Do you think a lot of Filipinas are just like you, someone who wants a date to marry?
Of course, some I think all naman is they want someone who will marry them and they are sure na they can commit po.
Okay. What is one Western habit you absolutely cannot tolerate in a relationship, no matter how rich he is?
This is not just for the Western guys. I think this is a very non-negotiable trait, especially for all of the men. So I think if they cheat, like it's a non-negotiable for me since it's a form of betrayal that cannot be fixed na po.
It's a cheater.
Yes.
Okay. Do you believe in a saying, once a cheater, always a cheater?
Yes po, because they did not hesitate to do it once, so I think they won't hesitate to do it the second time.
Okay. If a foreigner says you're not like other Filipinas, is that a compliment or an insult?
For me, it would be an insult since I think it is not necessary to compare me to other girls just to compliment or flatter me. So I think that's an insulting phrase for me.
You know what, Gwen, you're very bright, and aside from that, you're also very beautiful. What are your names and ages?
Nia, 20 po.
Janea po, 20 also.
You two are very pretty. They have very small face, very cute actually. You're welcome. Okay, so here's the very first question. What are the top three things a foreigner must have to date you? Top three things.
Probably the kindness. Ano pa? What's yours?
Should be family oriented.
Yes.
If ever, he should be financially stable also. And in a kind heart din.
Yes.
Okay, you said kind. How about two more? Kind. What else?
Being financially responsible and also protective.
Okay. How do you feel about foreigners who date Filipinas but don't plan to stay long term? What's your opinion about that?
I don't, ang hirap English. Wait lang. Go, 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 go.
I think if they want to, they should talk it out if they plan to build a family here or in other countries.
Okay.
Maybe they should meet the same kind of people if they are interested in short-term relationships. Ganun.
What? It's very loud in here. Okay. What is one Western habit you absolutely cannot tolerate in a relationship no matter how rich he is?
Oh, the non-affection one. Because no matter how financial stable you are, no matter how you provide for the person, if you're not showing affection, it's something that we don't want.
As a Filipino, syempre, We like it that we are cared for and without anything, ito to give back pa? Ano term to? Without something in exchange.
So the same thing, what do you call this? Affection.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
Okay. Okay. Is that a Western habit? And not just showing affection? Showing the affection.
Showing affection. Or maybe as a something that watching Western something, it's something that they're not really into, maybe. And sometimes they're rude. They're rude.
Oh, maybe the differences in language sometimes and yun.
If a foreigner says you're not like other Filipinas, is that a compliment or an insult?
Maybe it depends. It depends of the person if you take that differently. But for me, if they say that I'm different from other, it's like I would take it as a compliment because I'm different from others.
Hey, what was the question?
Okay. If a foreigner says you're not like other Filipinas, is that a compliment or an insult?
I see it as both because I'm unique in my own way and every Filipino is unique din naman.
Are you both singles or do you have partners?
I do have a partner.
Single po.
How long have you been single?
1 year.
And you're so pretty. Why? Why is that?
I want to focus on myself po. And my family, ganon, friends.
You're still studying? May we know what are you studying?
I'm studying tourism management.
Hospitality management.
What is your name and how old are you?
Paula, 19.
You're very beautiful, Paula. You look like you do modeling or you do pageants.
Do pageants.
Pageants. Okay, I can tell. Very beautiful. Okay, so here's the very first question, Paula. What are the top 3 things a foreigner must have to date you?
First, for me, emotional intelligence. Second,
First is he must have an emotional intelligence. Second is
good looking,
good looking. And what's the last one?
respectful.
Respectful. Okay. Next, how do you feel about foreigners who date Filipinas but don't plan to stay long term?
Wait lang, teka. Ano na simbag ko dyan? Bakit ko namin binigaya?
Nothing. No opinion. No opinion. Okay, how about number 3? What is one, iling alam sa camera pe, para magaling ka. What is one Western habit you absolutely cannot tolerate in a relationship no matter how rich he is?
Disrespectful their partners.
Someone who is disrespectful. Okay, especially disrespecting his partner. If a foreigner says you're not like the other Filipinas, is that a compliment or an insult?
It's depend.
Depend to what?
Ano, English?
She's having difficulty in expressing herself in English. Okay, but let's say a foreigner told you you're different from other Filipinas. What is that? A compliment for you or an insult?
For me, compliment.
Compliment. Okay. That's it. No more. Okay, well anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Hi everyone. Hopefully we earn your subscription, and also if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube member. Thank you for watching and take care everyone. Bye-bye.
Beautiful reflection